up to the roof of the stone and kill whoever's up there, please, to start the fight. It's a tank up there, so if you want to bring someone else with you, I'm pretty sure that tank is going to look to use a summon gate or a redstone right at the beginning of the fight. Just go up there, and you can fly there from Pure Light Tower and just kill him, please. Make sure he doesn't drop a stone or anything when the fight starts.
Does anybody see where they're grouping at?
Guys,
I haven't.
I'll be
a
disappointed
quick
if
thing.
this all
Feminisi is coming back to the clan,
that we are
so
fighting.
he's asking to be accepted. He's a healer.
Not even 4 parties.
Let me see. Add a ticket.
Which is the password so he can get in?
He needs to make a ticket.
Ahura?
Feminisi.
All right.
What about Aurora?
I want, if you are in the party that aren't on one of the pins on the stone at the moment, can you please pick an empty pin and sit there with your party? Please and thank you.
Fuck off. 7's ours. Oh, okay, of course. The guy calling runs to the fucking one I go to. What a dick.
We can go
What
over here.
I'm on 2. I don't give a shit. Pin 2.
Alright.
And for those that need to mark me for their party, it's Gun Wallet talking for this siege. I am jumping around the stone in the red dress.
Yeah, because we all easily recognize people when they're fucking cosmetic. Bro, legitimately in Arcade I could. In this game, I fucking can't. It's a fucking blur.
So when this turns on, we'll just blow up the people right next to us?
Okay.
I don't think they know they're standing on a bomber party.
You guys want banquet?
You can if you want. Thanks.
All right. Stay on your. Play towards the far side pin. Looks like Honk's gonna start on pin 1. We'll see where they end up. We're gonna fight inwards on this.
God,
stone.
they swarmed our fucking
I
banquet.
want your
Jesus
parties,
Christ.
wherever you're standing.
Does
I
it
didn't know
guild
they
on the
could get it.
pin.
fucking not
Hold
feed
that
them?
pin
Like,
and
what the
try
fuck?
and fight as a party.
They're starving.
Afterwards, and you can fight
Hey,
inwards. Once
who
you
made
clear out
our
your space
channel?
and clear inwards. Bomb squads, kill squads.
What, our
I
Discord
want you to
channel,
rotate
Air?
around this stone area.
Yeah, with the
and
I
help
mean
those
the
parties
canary
clear
one with the
out
little.
the people
I don't know the
their
planes
little
and the
quadrant.
buildings.
Otherwise, we're gonna fight inwards and try and get as much pressure in the stone
Who
as
was
possible.
that?
I just not.
If you
I
die
just
in
not
this
it
first
is
fight,
right now.
please stay dead.
I don't know who it was.
We will be rezzing you for the first 20, I believe 24.
I
30
think
people
Zaid
that
was
die,
the
we will
first
be
one
rezzing
here.
you with the
Was that
guild
you,
skill.
Zaid?
Stay on your gray screen. Please and thank you.
Yep, it was Zaid. So there's a ton of them stacking on 1 right now. I think when the fight starts, when the fight starts, let's pull off this platform and just run right behind them.
Okay.
Because if they're all going to stack like that, I mean, we can kill them in that choke so easy. If they end up moving before the timer starts, we'll just kill who's in us. But if they stay there, we just go right behind them.
I zoned out. Could you repeat that one more time?
I was just saying, if they move before the fight starts, we'll just kill who's in us and then go behind them. But if they're gonna stay there in that little choke, we'll just go right behind them.
Okay, thank you.
This doesn't
Good
look
All
fair.
right.
Yeah, might just win
There's-
this.
Get ready here. They have a
Clap,
big
you're not
group on
using
pin
your
5.
bow.
Looks like as well.
No,
After you clear your section,
because
we're gonna push inwards. You have roughly
the thing
5
with Twin
seconds,
was
I
a
believe,
unique
after it
situation.
turns 8
Olin
PM, 9
has
PM,
a
that
wand.
TP will be enabled.
It's
Pop
not
your free
bad.
buffs.
It's just that trust me, the heal over time is insane. A wand tome, wand bow is insane. That only works because of the extreme throughput.
Someone invite
Okay,
Kamizi.
this is.
There is a healer
Let's pull off for a
buff
second, guys.
available if you guys need
They're
a party.
standing right on the grapple.
Kamizi just
Their
messaged in the
major
chat
group
saying
on pin
no.
5.
Someone get them a party, please.
You want to get up on them?
Oh yeah, just stay on me. I think once it turns, it's about 5 seconds before combat. Right when it turns, we're just gonna go hit that grapple and hit them from behind.
Soon.
Yep.
This black boar is not a boar.
Be careful not
All
to get
these boars
shoved
are
off
fake.
here if you're playing
All
towards
right,
the edge.
give it a second. Give it a second.
3 seconds.
Olin, we're away from you, I think. Oh, never mind.
All right, take grapple. Take grapple.
Alright. Keep fighting inwards here. Hold your pins, fight. Cast tornadoes inwards as well. Just try and stall
Sustain
as
in
much
this
as
area.
possible. We're gonna be rezzing people here shortly. Stay dead, stay dead. Strider's casting. Alright, fight, clear him off the stone. Push forward on the pin 2. If you,
Yeah,
everyone
you
res
got
res.
it.
If you're still dead, use
Good job,
pop your
guys.
reses. Pop your reses, come back, let's stay on the stone. We're gonna hold the stone, don't need to
I don't
push
know
out
why they would
unless you're a kill
stand right on
squad.
the grapple spot.
There you go. Heard you did.
If kill
They got
squad, can we have someone please relay me where they're
murdered.
regrouping? If you can as well. Leave the
This
Sparks
wasn't a
team party.
contest when we had 40.
Everyone else stay on the stone.
Yeah.
We're on the
I'm
hill on
disappointed
11.
with our organization, but
I mean,
should
that
be a
was,
walk.
that was just an
All right,
easy
they're
call
grouping
to
towards
get up
pin
behind them on
12
the
on 7
grapple. I
side.
don't know why they stayed
back.
there.
We also have some over
They're
pin 9.
grouping-
Just keep an eye on these.
On our west side right now.
Play group.
Oh, yeah,
DPS
down
and
by the
healers
the
sit
lake.
on the outside
North
of
side,
stone. You don't
yeah.
need to stand on the stone. You
West
want to make
side.
sure you're casting inwards and you're not having people
They're
come behind you.
coming up to the pin or to the grapple right now. Just get ready for them if they come up here.
Can we have a party? Please watch the grapple on pin 5 as well. They have a party of bombers looking to take that grapple. They're grouping on pin 9. Everyone else, besides a small group of people watching behind, just posture towards 2, 1, and 3. We're gonna look towards that direction.
Get some
for now.
text by
Once
just
they push
standing in the ring.
I want to see tornadoes onto pin 1 and pin 2.
Okay, so what we'll do is we'll take out their bomb squad that's about to grapple, and then we're gonna drop
They're
down
pushing in
and
pin
then
5.
wrap around
Pin 5.
behind.
Pin 5. Let's
Okay.
wipe that bomb. Everyone else are gonna push on pin 2. See tornadoes push. Tornadoes out on pin 2.
Pushing on.
All right. Don't push off the platform. Stay on the platforms. We're just gonna hold their push.
It looks like the
No
main group
chance.
is doing okay.
Not
Yeah,
at all.
Good job.
we can go bomb this actually.
Let's stay here.
See where
Don't green
Jensu's
too
at?
far
Everybody
out.
group on Jensu. We're
Stay
behind him
on-
right here.
We haven't caps. Stay on the stone. Everyone walk back. Don't chase. Wipe what you have in your ball and come back to the stone. Do not push past pin 9. All right.
Yeah.
All right, let's
Yeah.
get back on stone.
Good shit, everyone. Come back to the stone unless you're part of a kill squad.
We're just gonna
Oh.
stay on pin 5 for now. We can actually let's see how this next fight plays out, and then we can just run the edge or something and just go for kills.
Hunt.
Hunt, yes.
Yep.
Because if it's gonna be that easy for our main group to hold, we're gonna go make picks.
They are looking to group down beneath pin 8
Their
Towards
bomb
walking
went
towards
right
pin 9
into
right
us,
now
and that was such
for
a
our kill squad.
rough
Just
moment.
around 20
They got
Yep.
murdered.
Oh, Jensu's hiding. Top pig
Everyone just
moment.
look. We're not pushing off this platform. We're gonna stay here. I
Jensu's
don't
a
want to see
professional
anyone
hider.
pushing and chasing. Only people that should be off this platform is kill squad, please.
Well, we're a kill squad, so we can be off platform too.
They're chasing kill
Yeah.
squad.
All right. Got it.
There's a group forming on a pin 11.
Reina in 1 minute
Yeah,
or
I
so.
see
you can
'em.
pop,
Pushing
our
one,
buffs.
pushing one.
They're pushing pin
They're
1
coming
and pin
back to
2. I
pin
want to see
5.
tornadoes. Put
Let's
pressure on
kill
those
who
chokes.
comes on pin 5, then we're gonna drop down and hit the raid.
Heavy push on pin 1, pin 3.
Somebody grappled.
Can we get
Single
tornadoes
one.
towards pin 3, please? Pin
Went
3, pin
Invis
4.
Right away.
You can give space to walk towards pin 6 if you're a DPS. Tanks play on pin 3 and pin 1, please. Pin 3, pin 1's cleared. Let's look to take pin 3. Keep taking pin 3. Good job. Clear them out.
There's a couple more
Don't
here.
chase past pin 9 and pin 11. It's just stay on the stone.
Yeah, we're good.
Good shit,
Alright,
everyone.
we're gonna drop down here.
Good job pulling their attention there, kill squad.
Okay.
I saw them chasing you guys there.
I don't think there's really a point. We can kind of play off of this grapple and just pick them as
Yeah.
they come to it. There's no reason for us to stay up there. Let's group on 10.
I am literally just enjoying the guys. Not even close.
Right?
What? There's no sand in here, bro.
Hey, look, a book.
I'm just remembering back to the very first time we
We have a
fucking-
few stragglers at pin 9 if kill squad's interested, but they are looking to regroup there again.
when we used the
they're at
pig
9,
strap.
If I can get information
They're at
related to you,
9.
you guys put it in.
Poland
farming.
somehow worse.
There's a decent
wanna know
group
where
at
they're
pin 9.
grouping
We
if
can
they're
go
not
bomb it
pin
if you guys want. I don't think it matters.
Our own guys are up at 9.
No.
Bait them.
They're grouped on
Bait
9.
them. Bait them. Bait Larxine's group.
Alright.
Yeah, they're all grouped on 9 right now.
Hey, for bomb squad, they have a group of players above pin 9 on that back cliff. They're gonna be a little bit late on their push if you guys want to look to bomb them when they push in. That's a group of healers and DPS players.
There's a few stragglers out here. Let's pick them up.
Yep, and they also have some that are on the hill where you guys were holding
We
earlier.
can catch her at the hills.
I'm frozen.
Careful, they're
I'm frozen.
pushing.
They're pushing us now.
You guys want to pull back there? Everyone else stay group on the point here. We do not
I
need
can
to push
guys.
out.
I think this
I'm out.
engage.
They're
Yeah.
splitting. They're split.
Oh, that was all of them.
Yep.
We should push down on 9.
They finally got me.
All right. No.
Too late.
Kill squad, they're all pushing towards you. Feel free to walk
Thank
back.
God
bait
for
them
our
into us.
position. Dash right side.
DPS and tanks. Our ball here is posture towards pin 3 and just
I just tried to stop them for you guys so
Let's
that
just
they didn't
watch here.
chase.
pigeon them off pin 3 and pin 4.
Fuck it, I will use bow.
Do not push off this platform. Just hold it. Watch pin 5 as well. They have a few people looking at
Alright, group
posture
on
towards pin
platform.
5 for the
Push us,
grapple.
push
And we're
us.
gonna push in.
Oh, let's push. Everyone, let's push on the pin 11. Let's look for a hard push here. Swipe on pin 11. Go deep. Push all the way through.
There's a few stragglers. Pick
Keep
up these
going, keep
stragglers.
going. Please do not cast tornadoes when we're pushing inwards. Let's go all the way through.
Still a
Wipe
couple
them here. We're
stragglers in
gonna,
the
we're gonna
woods.
walk back to our stone. Good job.
Stone's
Kill
down.
squad can chase everyone else back to the stone. Let's just hit here. Sorry about watching you guys die there, Larksine, but
Alright,
that
let's
was a little
regroup
bit
on
too far a
9.
push earlier.
Bro, you sold them.
Form into boar.
There's like 4 or 5 more pushing in. Let's just go back to stone. That looks like their whole party's gonna group there again. Let's go back to pin 5 on the grapple.
Okay. They're on 9, I think, by the way.
Yeah, they're all grouping on pin 9.
Get next to a mob.
Getting stacks.
Uh-huh.
Thank you, Gwen.
No, don't kill it.
They're all grouped
Let it
on
live.
9. Let's drop down here. It doesn't look like they're coming this side. We're gonna hit them from the side once their main
Yep,
ball pushes.
They're walking towards. They're between pin 11 and pin 9 right
They're
now.
going to 11.
They're same spot where they're fighting kill squad earlier. Let's make sure we're watching here, everyone.
11's on us.
They're spreading
Yep.
out.
They're not hitting me.
Regroup on 5.
All right, they're looking towards pin 4. Let's
They're on
make sure
to me.
we're holding that as well. They're gonna look at the grapple
Have a group
potentially.
rushing one.
Hold one.
One setting zone.
Bro is
Tanks, hold one.
lost,
Split
man.
in group
They're
here.
about
Try
to
and
push
support
up
both sides. Your
right now.
healer or DPS sit on the stone. Tanks play on the outside.
Motion on.
Let's get some tornadoes on pin 3. Tornadoes on pin 3. DPS walk back. Healers walk back as well. Play towards pin 7, 6, and 8. Fight inwards on
I
the
got
stone.
smoke screen on you guys.
Right.
Motion 2.
Keep fighting on the stone here. I want to see tornadoes. Clear them out. Play on the outside and fight inwards. We don't, unless you're a tank, you have no reason to be on the stone. Good shit. That's
Oh my
good
god.
stuff.
Let's go pick
everyone.
up stragglers. Run out.
Exactly what I want to see. If they push him, we put pressure on the choke and we scatter back to our little quadrants on the edge. We're not gonna fight them head on here.
On Therms and Zaid, there's a group forming. You guys be careful there. There's a lot of them coming up on you.
Yeah, there's.
We're gonna get our kills worth.
That's their regroup point.
Oh, my team! Thank you,
So
Static.
many, so close. To that
Y'all want to go back? You
Oh
have
my
to stay
god.
here.
We just smoked so many. Good job, guys.
Yeah, I'm
Huge.
getting out. Getting out.
Yeah, you guys get out. I'm gonna be respawning here.
Yep.
Go all in.
Wow,
No, all in. You're gonna die because of me.
Let's all get back to pin
Alright,
5
they're
again.
grouping up on 9. Tanks can posture towards 1
It
and
was
2
all
since they have
my
a large
fault.
ball there. But I still want us to play a little back. Kill squad, look towards pin 12. They have a ball down there as well. All right. Don't extend too far out, but feel free to pigeon them from pin 2. Do not get pulled though. Play the line of sight.
Yeah,
They're pushing pin 9 right now. We can actually, if you guys can drop and get to the back, it's a
Alright.
perfect time.
Hold pin 3. Bundle them towards pin 2-1. Pin 2 and pin 1. Let's watch these. They're pushing on pin 1. Pin 3. I want to see tornadoes on pin 3. They're pushing in through pin 3. Tanks stay on pin 1 still. I want to see some more tornadoes on pin 3. Let's just keep them CC'd on that choke while we focus on pin 1 fight. Walk back towards pin 6, 7, 8. Fight inwards on
Oh,
this
that
stone.
push was huge.
Yeah.
Oh, no, that was you.
Same
That
thing
was
as
so good.
earlier. Clear the ones on the inside, then we work towards fighting on pin 1.
Oh,
Good
my
wipe, everyone.
Targeting is
Nice push.
okay.
There's a couple stragglers out by pin 9.
Oh, that's why.
All right. Good stuff, everyone.
You kind of baited us into getting sloppy.
Yep.
We're kind
Is
of
he even getting sloppy, or is it just like
It's just,
wiping them.
disrupting?
yeah, there's just like not
All right,
really
don't
a
need to chase out too
contest.
far, guys.
I'm on
I know you guys
5.
want to fight here. Let's at least play towards pin 9. Don't push past pin 9 if we want to fight.
We got some stragglers out by 12. If you
Yep.
guys want to come back.
We can walk off the stone here if you'd like.
Mhm.
We can play above pin 9 on the cliff side that we have, and then we can pigeon downwards.
You call this
Let's
stragglers?
give a little support here.
Well,
Oh,
they
we're
all
fighting. We're
sprinted.
fighting at 9.
Okay. Olin, me and you
was-
can push in the back here. If they're
It
over
wasn't
there on
All
9.
right,
12.
let's just keep pigeoning up. Play
They're
this cliff side.
trickling in.
DPS players, tanks can play down. All right. Make sure you're watching for spears coming into the DPS ball.
Oh, yeah. Sure.
All right, no need to chase. If we just clear what we have in front of us. Don't chase too deep. All right. All right, everyone. I see us all greedy out there. Feel free to wipe them. Just wipe them. You can go wipe them. Go deep. We have enough people on the stone. Just
Oh
go
my
have your
God.
kills.
You're getting sent to Vienta.
You fuckers, all of you. Okay,
I hate to
everyone,
see
let's
this,
pull
Gordon.
back towards the stone here. They're gonna be flying back in now.
Oh my gosh. That was disgusting.
That was bad. That was really bad.
That's kind of hurt the morale right there.
Did our kill
It's
squad
not
just like
positioning,
push them
it's
all the way
just going
out?
I think we need this.
Yo, I'll take some pools to get my mana back up though.
Yeah,
Oh wait, hold on, I got milk.
Running out of mana in this fight's crazy.
Let's just
Just
go.
running
Let's
through
go
a-
hold pin 11. Come down to pin 11.
All right, everyone. They're grouping on pin 9 again. Let's not push out this
On
time.
skull.
They have an actual
Are
solid
they-
push here. Let's sit. Pigeon them from pin 1
I don't
through
even know
3.
if they're
Pigeon them from there.
attacking on
Once they
this
start
way.
pushing in, I want our DPS and healers to do what we've been doing. Walk back.
They're up
scatter
on the
to
hill
different quadrants.
above us right now. Some of them are. I don't know if they're all up there.
Yep.
They're all on hill.
Oh, here.
Let's go to 10.
Mind me, just looking for stacks.
There, you're good. Let's stay on 10 and see if their main raid tries to push us.
Yeah, they're gonna split.
Oh yeah, they're definitely gonna do that. Oh
It's
my
okay.
god.
Strider, if you want to play it safe,
We got a
you can
group
fly
that looks
back,
like they might be
go up
pushing
here,
left
take the
here.
teleport to Pier Light, and then give us a res stone.
It's outside.
on
That's,
or sunstone
end of the
on top
zone.
Do we want to
the,
go around behind them right
the
now?
We can.
Arena.
You want to?
This zone.
Yeah, let's go over here
Otherwise,
where
let's-
Boba
let's
is.
chill here.
Yeah.
Boba, Cardi B, they're
Let's
stragglers.
not get
they're off
greedy,
on their
please,
own.
guys.
Yeah,
I see
let's
us
get it.
running
One-
out trying to 1v10 or whatever, 1v30. It's not happening. Way to go, Snoop. Snoop and Every. Good job, guys.
Okay.
They're running up
That's the
now
main-
on 9.
that's the main-
Yep, main
that's the
ball.
main-
Here, come,
Yes,
come left here.
Okay,
Come hard
pushing on
left.
pin 1. Let's
Yeah.
Hard
put
left?
some pressure
Okay.
on there. Kill
Yeah,
squad,
above the
wrap
hill.
them over
I
on
We're
the
going on the
side
hill.
here.
We're gonna hit him
They're
from the
gonna
back.
look towards pin 2 and pin 3.
Yeah,
Right
I'm
around
in
behind
position. I'm here. I'm here.
Yep, go hard.
Let's wipe them on pin 1. Good stuff.
Full buffs out.
Wipe them here. Feel free to chase them out. We can let them
Random.
trickle here.
I
Let's
hit
chase
a
them out.
random Kotori.
Couple in the bush.
I got a
there.
kill
Hey.
Huge.
from a
Yeah,
random
good job,
flash
everyone.
wave.
Back on the stone.
I'm at 1 in
Looks like we have to
10.
chill here for a bit.
Nice push.
Okay, okay.
Let's go stand
11
up
and
here.
24.
Come up
so.
here with me. Oh, here's Boba.
Alright, come.
Kill that guy.
Boba just
He
likes
ran
to
out.
die.
Yeah, he ran the fuck off. He's like,
He
fuck these guys
sprinted.
again.
Just stay here. When their main ball comes in again, which they're coming right now,
Oh, nice.
let's see
Just
what
back
they.
up a
Yeah,
bit,
back
back
up
up
for
a
a
bit.
second.
Hey, can Kill
If
Squad,
we get a couple
for
people
Kill
to come
Squad,
up
since you
with
guys are
me.
outside of the dome,
That's
just
not a
please
couple.
watch for people
Just-
flying
they
in
need help.
to try and fly on
They're all
top
here.
of the
Yep.
stone. Just in
They
case
didn't
fly
notice
up
me.
and drop a stone.
I'm behind him.
They didn't notice me either. I'm behind them with you.
I'm also behind.
Okay, I'm guardian in.
If you see anyone up
I'm
there,
sorry.
just calm it. You don't have to try.
They're
to
hitting
kill
me,
them,
they're hitting
just
me.
give the
Kill them,
calm
yeah.
up
This
there
was all
for
my
us.
fault.
I'm
On top of
trying.
the-
No, we have a
Ah.
lot of them there,
That's all we'll
guys.
need.
That's okay.
Otherwise, let's just.
I
chill
got
here.
4 on my own, so I mean, it's definitely worth it.
Yeah, we definitely
was-
just staggered
Alright.
them hard.
I was a
went into a
Your
bore.
lane.
Guardians here. Looks.
I was a
this is
bore
one
and they
of the
didn't
last
hit
pushes
me.
they
Let's
have.
regroup.
Besides this, we're
Regroup
just
quick
gonna
out of the zone, so we can just push
come
in right
back,
behind
trickle in.
them.
We're gonna look for potentially if we need anything, we'll have summon gates, but we're watch their pushes here. Use your guardians on this fight.
Who's missing?
Watch pin 11.
One static's going on one.
Olin.
Hmm.
Hey, if Kill Squad can wrap and hit their backline, their
Then
tanks are
bummer
coming in
one.
first.
Did you
three?
stay?
Alright, let's go.
In the
Pin
Pushing
3
three.
is get tornadoes on
You
pin 3,
didn't-
please.
You didn't join us.
Good
Me?
job. Hold pin 3.
Oh yeah, you're up there. I see you now.
I was like, what is this guy smoking?
I see Boba again.
Well, watch for
He's
these crossbows
dead.
and spears inside of us. If you're
Double
getting pushed
kill.
as a DPS, walk back towards the edge and fight inwards on the stone again. There's just, yep, good wipe. Keep fighting them. We have a few stragglers towards pin 1. They have they have a summon stone. Strider, can we pop a
Stop them at their
summon
summon
as
stone.
well? Play it
Just
safe
hit them
here.
right off the summon stone right now.
Everyone else is
Where's the
pushed
summon
out.
stone?
Push their stone. It's towards pin 11. Push their main ball.
I'm blinded.
I think they have some invincibility here for a little bit.
Yeah, they do.
Push their summon gate.
That's fine. They're fucking up and healing as soon as they come back in.
All right. Good job, everyone. Push the summon gate. Let's push. Take up. It's in the PV zone. My bad. Sorry. Bad calm, everyone.
Okay.
We just stay here. They can't move.
Let's just hold this. Hold this for a little bit. Let's have two. Kill squad. Can you hold towards their summon gate for now? Everyone else is regroup back to this zone.
Bro, I see a super cringe name over there on their
Kill
side.
squad. Just feel free
Fucking
to sit
the
there and
dude
kill the
named
stragglers.
himself
Everyone else is
Poifelhoon.
Come back to the
Fucking
stone.
devil
They're
dog.
gonna look for a different
They're
place.
pushing
Let it
behind
be
us
some
right now.
fucking like E2 Marine.
Let
it
the
be.
other kill squad sit here. Let's back out. Back out and look north.
Yeah,
Okay.
they're funneling.
They're
Yeah, let's
funneling.
cover grapple.
Yep, let's go to grapple.
All right.
They're gonna need help. They're gonna.
All right.
Oh, I got him, so
This
he
is
couldn't
gonna be the
grapple.
last push here. Pretty last questionable push at least. Feel
Careful,
free to
they're
pitch
all
it down from
stacking
pin
on you
3,
guys.
Pin 4, and fight them here. Good shit, everyone.
I'm wrapping behind.
Go farm your kills. Everyone here with those bad mentals, just go farm your kills. Push in, push deep.
What
Get
the
our
fuck is
kills
that
here.
sleep?
They're gonna come from that same spot we were earlier by the tents. That's where their summon
Let's
gate is
trickle
at.
over to their summon gate again. They keep
Yep.
coming in off of it.
Let's go
It's
sit
still
on their
half
summon
alive.
gate.
There's 40 seconds left.
All right, good job, everyone.
All right, just hunt. Whoever you can pick up, pick up.
Like that?
Yep.
Good thing.
Perfect.
That's how it is.
Don't you just love watching a bow user just magically fly right at me?
Oh, I
Push
see
on.
Boba again.
We got in their service soon, everyone.
They have me like.
Bro,
I'm
there's so many of them fucking
perma-stunned,
standing
holy.
like directly on the edge.
When we get into this inner server stone, can I have Reyna or Strider set up the pins for Grand? Yep, there's someone grabbing your stone. Just set up the pins in there. Just the same
GG,
way our
guys.
alliance has the pins.
You can't
Nice
set
job,
up
guys.
I'm
pins
burning.
inside them.
I'm
You
burning.
can set pins in there. We've done.
I'll go ahead and get the
yeah.
link for that one up as well.
Good shit, everyone.
Thanks, Zaid.
We only had
We
5 more people
goofed.
needed.
Oh,
They
there's
had
an
about
inner server.
4950,
Yeah, we
had
have an inner
55.
server now,
Good shit,
too.
everyone.
And
Let's
10
go.
So take a 10, like a 5 or 7 minute break.
Really, they killed
Oh, yeah.
Elon.
Maybe
Right.
50